Guys, and welcome back to our channel, Meet the Teats. My name is Melissa, and welcome back to another video. Today, from the title, you know that we are doing an unboxing today, which I am so excited about this one because this is something that I have been wanting for a while now. And Chris, my hubby, he bought it for me for my birthday. So I am very grateful. Thanks, Chris, for buying this for my birthday. So it is the Christian planner, and I don't know about you guys, but I have been seeing this floating around social media for actually not too long, maybe a few months now. And I was looking through it on the internet, and I was like, I really want this. So I'm going to unbox it for you guys today so you can see exactly what it's like, and maybe you can think about purchasing it as well. So let's get right into this video. All right, you guys, so we're gonna get right into this video. I'm gonna go ahead and take the plastic wrapping off and go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So it looks like it comes like in, oh, it comes inside of a box. So this is not like the outside of it. It's in, oh my gosh. Okay, so it comes in this cute little, this is so cute, you guys. Like, this is so cute. Okay, and it comes in a box like this, and this is the planner. It's so pretty. The color is so vibrant. So this here is like a little extra tab to put your pen or pencil or marker in it. But I really like this box. Like, it's sturdy. And I think I can use this box for something. Like, I can always find something to use it for. Here it is right here. I got it in Pacific Teal. And it comes with an elastic kind of band here to kind of keep it shut. And let's open it up. And I got the 2020 planner, so I cannot use this until January, but I wanted to show you guys because this here I think can make a really good Christmas gift for someone. So I'm gonna show you guys what's all, oh my gosh, look at this color. I don't know if the camera can do it any justice, but it is so beautiful. Oh shoot, I'm getting excited. Like, I'm getting really excited. Okay, so I'm going to give you a little bit of backstory on the Christian planner so that you know exactly what you are buying, what you're investing your money in. And I just went to their website, thechristianplanner.com, and I went to the Our Story section. It says, we create tools to help busy Christians like you achieve their dreams by keeping Christ in the center of their daily lives. And I don't know about you guys, but I use planners every single day. My planner, I just got it from Ross not too long ago, and I just kind of make it to what I want it to be. I have to add extra boxes. I have to put bullet points, and like, it's not my dream planner. And I know there's tons of planners out there in the planner world for planner babes and things like that, but I just always got my planners from Ross, and I just created them from what I wanted it to be. But when I saw this planner, you guys, on Instagram, I was like, you know what? I think this is everything that I've ever wanted in a planner. So that's a little bit about the history of the Christian planner. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, dive on in so you can see. So right when you open up the Christian planner, there's kind of like a welcome note at the top, how to use it at the beginning of the year, every week, every day, every month, and there's social media information at the bottom. So a couple things that really gravitated me to this planner and why I wanted to get this planner was because of this page right here. It has a page, you guys, for your healthy habits and your health goals. And you guys know that I'm on a weight loss journey, as you guys know that. And you can kind of make like a vision board. It's just really cool, like a vision board for what you want to do. And it has how daily, 1 to 2 times a week, 1 to 2 times a month, and 1 to 2 times a year. And you also have, they also have a section right here for your 2020 goals for the year, which I think is really awesome, that they have a section in here for that. So then you have your year overview on the next page, and all the holidays at the bottom. And then it goes right into January, okay? It doesn't waste any time. It gets right into the calendar month. And at the top of each page, you guys, there is a different scripture at the top of each page. And at the bottom of each page, well, not each page, but at the bottom of like the month calendar view, there's a reflection question. And just for January, the reflection question says, what blessings came in my life this last month? What accomplished am I proud of? And then there's an action point as well. How can I demonstrate my love for God for others this month? I think that's really cool, you guys. It not only can keep me on schedule, but it also can challenge me in my relationship with the Lord. All right, so on the next page, there is it's a page that says weekly devotional, and there is a space for sermon notes. Now, for me personally, I love to take notes every single Sunday. So this is great, you guys. Like, this is so good to have a space specifically for sermon notes in my calendar, and it's all wrapped in one. And there are also some reflection question at the bottom of sermon notes. And then at this blank space right here, it says Bible study notes, sketch, and prepare. So maybe this is where you can put maybe like your to-do list for the week, or maybe some people like to sketch their Bible, their sermon notes. So maybe you can sketch your sermon notes here, or make your weekly goals on this section right here. Then at the bottom it says action, and it says, how can I improve my life, my relationship with God and others this week? Commit to at least one for next week. So it says you have action points for yourself, action points for God, and action points for others. Like, that's awesome. Like, this planner really gets you thinking beyond just your day-to-day schedule and what you have to do each week, but it gets you thinking about how can I better my relationship with myself, better relationship with God, and better my relationship with others this week. So then you have your day to day, and I'm going to kind of zoom in here so you can see. So this layout is in columns. So if you are into bullet points, like this layout right here is going to be very useful for you. So I am like a bullet point type person, so the fact that it has lines and the fact that it's in columns is perfect for me. I don't know how you like to plan in your planner, you guys, but for me this works great. And it also kind of have like darkened boxes for night. And another thing that really plugged me into this planner, you guys, was this part right here. It says daily health habit tracker, and it has blank lines and it has boxes for you to check off. And I know for a fact that I used to actually do this, kind of make my own health tracker in my planner that I told you that I had gotten from Ross. But this already has it in here. So on these blank lines, you can put drink smoothies daily, and you can check off Sunday that I drink a smoothie, Monday that I drink a smoothie, Tuesday that I drink a smoothie, or you can say drink 64 ounces of water, or whatever it is for you, you guys. You can put that in your daily health tracker and kind of monitor day by day if you are accomplishing those things. Some people, they have to check things off in order to feel like they accomplished something. That's me. Comment down below if that's you. Are you the type of person that has to write things down and check it off once you accomplish them? For me, it feels like I just accomplished something, like when I'm able to check things off. And this Christian planner, you guys, gives you that opportunity to do that. And then again, there's a Bible scripture on top of that page. So that's basically the layout, and then it goes to the next week, the sermon notes for that Sunday, and then the blank page, the reflection question, the action points, and then the weekly spread. Okay, and then the health tracker, and then this space down here, I don't think I told you about this. This space is just blank, so whatever you want to put here, it just says my space. You can put whatever you want there. So that is the Christian planner layout, and I think this is going to be very, very good for me. I love that it's like everything in one. Like, obviously I'm still going to have my planner, I'm still going to have my journal on the side because I do journal daily, but this is going to be able to help me stay on track with things and have my sermon notes all in the same thing, all in the same planner. So I love that. Okay, another great thing about the Christian Planner 2020 is that it has two kind of like page dividers. So it's not just one that you're working with, but you have two to work with if you need to hold pages for multiple reasons. They do give you that opportunity to do that. And one is white, one is teal, so you know exactly what you are, the page that you're saving, and then you can kind of color code it. And then at the back of the planner, there are about, let's see how many pages there is. There are 13 pages, blank pages for notes in the back of the planner. And then